the time has come to up-pot my special mystery plant, Edward Plantagenet. Come on. So I mixed up some soil that I'm going to use in this pot, which I think is a 5-gallon pot. I'm not sure. I'm just reusing it from some roses that I planted a couple years ago. And this mix is, what's in it? Let's see. So this is a organic potting mix that I'm trying for the first time. I bought a couple bags, so I planted some other peppers in this, but I'm going to give this one a try. And it's a little, it could use a good sifting, but you know, it seems like it's okay. So the other plants I put in it are thriving all right. So I'm going to just use that, and I put in a little bit of compost, manure, cow manure, and a little bit of vermiculite because it's pretty dense, very, very compacted between the manure, the cow manure, and the potting mix. So hopefully this breaks it up a little bit. It feels pretty good. All right, now that should be all right. Here we go. So some really exciting news on the condition of this plant is it's got tons of flowers on it. And look, it's even got some peppers now. I'm so excited. I never thought that this plant would do anything. Some leaves are yellowed and they're coming off. It's definitely outgrowing its pot. I fed it a couple of days ago, but it's already getting a little bit yellowed, so maybe some room to grow will help it out. And overall, I think it's looking great. The leaves are looking pretty good. Lots happening, and I can't wait to see what kind of peppers this is. I lost the marker to it, so I planted the seeds, and it's a variety that I already planted and have other ones growing, but I don't know which one this is yet, so big news. Can't wait to find out. Look at those roots. This little plant really took off. He struggled through so much, but it developed some really nice roots on it, and I think that he's going to be doing okay. You can see here, this is the rock wool that I started this seed in, and then here's a little hydro basket because originally I was keeping it in sort of a cracky setup, and I didn't intend for this to ever go into soil, but plans changed, and this little plant kept struggling along, so I'm going to do everything I can to give him the best, healthiest grow that I can, and hopefully he'll give us some good peppers. This one right here is probably the biggest pepper on here right now, so they just started to develop. This has only been in the last couple of days that there's been any sign of actual pods on it, and I'm going to try to compare. I think it's possible this might be an apocalypse scorpion. The leaves are fairly similar to the other scorpion plants that we have. And that pepper shape, just from that little one, would be in line with the shape of the apocalypse scorpions. So far that's my best guess, but we'll wait and see. Okay, there he is. He's all settled into his new home in this white recycled rose pot, and I'm going to keep a close eye on him. I can't wait to see what happens. We'll keep you posted.